Post, you're going to propose a community program that you would like to kickstart. This could be a neighborhood watch, it could be a community center, it could be a sports team, a playground. Just choose something that you're really passionate about. And in your initial post, you want to give the overview of what you're trying to kickstart. And then give a proposed budget. So include things like equipment, a space, supplies you might need, any of those types of costs. How many volunteers would you need for your program total? And then estimate the percentage of people in the community that would benefit from the program. So that can be based on how many people are in your area. Is your community a whole city? Is it a neighborhood? So look at that and think about how many would benefit. And then with your writing, we want to actually have an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. So the introduction is going to tell us about the program. The body is going to tell us logistics, the estimates, the costs, etc. And the conclusion just restates your program and why it's important. So don't get intimidated by that piece. That's basically what we're looking for. This is an essay. You can use citations in this essay in APA format. So if you're looking up things like the percentage of people that would benefit in the community, you might want a citation there. So I dropped this extra information. Here's a basic breakdown of what we're looking for. The introduction is you're telling us what it's about. Paragraph 2 is what's your budget. 3, what are your volunteers. 4, who's going to benefit. And then 5, what are the goals. So basically, this is your introduction in paragraph 1. This is your body. And this is your conclusion. So that's what we mean by introduction, body, conclusion. And in the second post where you're replying to your peer, you're going to pretend like you're a reporter for a local newspaper and that you're doing a story on the program that you're replying to. And so because of this, we have to have a new budget proposal. So in your report on the actual percentage of people that benefit from the current program, you will give a new percentage of volunteers needed and new budget percentages, because if we run a story on it, it's going to get out to a wider audience. So we're just looking for you to increase your estimate, the estimate of the person you're replying to, based on getting that extra face time within the community and attracting more people than would be attracted if we just did it by word of mouth. In your third post, you're going to reply to one of the programs that you found interesting. So who has a program that aligns with your beliefs and your values? And so just kind of reply to them, and we want you to consider, have you ever participated in a community program? Have you volunteered? Have you played a sport in one? Tell us a little bit about your experience. What are some things to consider when starting a program? And then did you find a resource that helped you this week? And so hopefully, because we have so many students in this class, you're able to find somebody to reply to that has a program similar to what you may have experienced in the past. If you have not experienced one, you could write about one that you would like to experience. So don't feel like you're being shut out of this third post if you haven't done a community project, but feel like you can add on to it.